Guys, good afternoon and welcome back once again. Another crypto live session with Crypto with B. I'm your host Brian, and of course today we will be discussing more on the airdrop updates, airdrop recap for the week of 20th, 14th till the 20th of April. And before I start, just a short disclaimer: past performance does not guarantee future result. Whatever buying, selling, recommendation. Okay, please do your due diligence before investing into any kind of asset. Okay, so first thing first, let me share regarding on the technical. Okay, so for technical side, what we can see here currently the total trade. Right, all the altcoins excluding BTC and Ethereum. Okay, so we can see that the sentiment right now is having a pullback. This was a top here, resistance level. Okay, then the pullback came back all the way down here at 562.182. Okay, does this dump and then end here, or are we still heading lower? That's the question here, because we are another one more day or less than 24 hours to have the Bitcoin halving. So that could also take a huge weight on the altcoins as well. Okay, so usually the halving event, there could be a sell-off rather than a push towards the upside. So yeah, if you look here, right, on the weekly time frame. So weekly, what happened, you can see there's a nice retest on the middle band, rebounded back up again. So as far as there's no reversal candle, right, most likely the market can continue again to retest on the middle band here at 576.852. Then maybe leading up all the way to 507.634, because I believe the sentiment is still at the grid level. We are still not really shaken off yet from this wash off. It's not even a proper wash off, but I believe that there is more to come after the halving. Okay, most likely market will continue to have another breather. Here you can see on daily, there's a nice momentum sell pullback. So this is a sell zone here. Okay, there might be a hiccup there, and then leading up all the way to this level, it will continue to rally again. So far on total tree, it is looking quite bullish. We can see the bottom is here, bottoming out, and it's about to push higher again, then most likely to be test further up. And of course, this resistance will be playing out at 662.132 on the fortnightly time frame. Then if we look on to the dominance, so BTC dominance, what we can see here, the setup on dominance, price overall is still trending towards the upside, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs again. Trend is overall is very bullish, because as the crypto market dumps, all eyes on the dominance. Okay, so dominance usually breaks towards the upside. Then of course, maybe to target all the way back here at 58.22. Okay, so that's the target here for dominance to reach all the way there. Okay, and then let's look at the weekly time frame. Now the weekly here, to be very, very careful, because the last week candlestick closed above top weekly. Okay, and then closing past the previous resistance, which is this level here. So we know that the dominance is very, very bullish with this style of closing, and most likely to trend higher. So my target for 58.22% might continue higher. Then if we look on to the daily time frame, there's an extreme sell, hit all the way down here. It is slightly almost retest back here. Okay, let's see whether or not can it continues to rally, or if not, then this level will be a support zone for retest again at 5.14. Okay, and then on H4 itself, you can see also trend is about to break towards the upside. Okay, so right at the moment right now, right, is hitting higher. This will be the next level to break above. Okay, then we look on to Ethereum against Bitcoin. What we can see here, so Ethereum again is still weakening against BTC. You can see this is a descending channel, and what we can see is that we have already booked the critical support zone, so it might trend lower. Okay, with this setup. Then if you look on to weekly, so the weekly also you can see there's no reversal candle or no green candle at all, right? But you know that the support zone, which is this zone here, have already been broken. Okay, already been broken. Okay, so it's trending lower, and altcoins is weakening against BTC. So here on daily, momentum sell, pullback for the entry sell, still below the middle band. Okay, still below the middle band. Then on H4 itself, also you can see trend is actually breaking down with the momentum sell again, right? So trend is down. Now let's look on to BTC. So BTC right now, what we can see here is that there is a short-term pullback, short-term rebound. Okay, so we have rebounded on this zone, 61.4, and then this level here at 58.7. So on weekly time frame, you can see already, right, the market for BTC. Right, you can see this could be a very strong support or strong demand here, where the bulls and those long-term holders, right, are looking at 60K as a range of support and a buy zone. But nonetheless, we can see is that the daily time frame is doing a momentum sell, pullback, So this, I would say this could be a short term, okay? This could be a short-term thing, a short-term pullback, 65K. If it continues to rally again, then the middle band will be here at 67.1, okay? So short-term wise, yeah, up from 65 to 67, okay? Because the trend is still downtrend on the daily time frame. So yet again, if this were to trend up, then this support zone it needs to maintain, which is around the 61.7 or 62K. Okay, very critical level that he needs to maintain. So far at the moment, it's still short-term pullback for a retest to sell actually. This zone is actually to sell. So it's now it's at 65K at the moment. Look at H4. So far already, you can see descending and then break. Okay, so overall, we can see the setup now is slightly above bullish for H4. Okay, most likely to have another reversal back up, maybe to hit at least 67.1. Okay, so 7.1 most likely to hit. Let's wait and see how is the market going to play out on the weekend and after the halving. So I think after the halving event, most likely the miners will be selling off. Okay, that could be another scenario where the miners will be selling off their Bitcoin to upgrade their mining software or their mining hardware. Okay, because the mining will be getting more difficult after the halving. Okay, the reward will totally cut into half. Okay, and that's where your capacity, mining capacity will increase, difficulty will increase. All right, so the expectation is there for a sell-off. Okay, so don't forget that. And then Ethereum, we can see there the setup. Okay, monthly time frame overall is bullish momentum. So you have a pullback now. So the levels, okay, it needs to maintain is here 2784. Okay, so far it almost retest back here. So okay, but again, this is the first reversal candle. How about leading up to the May candle, which is next month? Okay, so there could be more possibility of another pullback again or consolidation period before we continue to break again. So 2275 also could be the next spot. Let's look on to the weekly time frame. So weekly again, similar like BTC, test all the way at the middle band, 2857. Okay, so now we are still hovering around the 3K zone. Okay, so let's see whether or not can Ethereum continue to rebound. If not, then all hell breaks loose. We might continue to break lower below the 3K level. And then finally retesting all these zones here at 2480. Okay, I think this could be a capitulation zone. This is where people will get capitulated. Okay, people will feel the fear. Okay, people will feel like they are given up. And that's where they will throw in their towel. Okay, so that's where you want to be doing. So as for now, it's still at a great situation. And you can see that the market, is going to have a short-term pullback or short-term retracement or short-term relief towards the upside. And to retest all these sell zones here, 3144 all the way to the middle band at 3.3K. Okay, so that is the sentiment right now. They will expect a short-term dead cat bounce or short-term relief before we see another break towards the downside. Okay, so that's my take here. Okay, so nonetheless, we can see overall on the biggest perspective is still bullish, but I believe we are still due for a proper correction rather than going up all the way again. Okay, so 1 month candlestick maybe it's not enough. Maybe we need another one more round, which is next month. Okay, let's see how the market will play out. Okay, for this coming week as well. So far, all in all, it's looking quite bullish. Okay, but I'm not really buying into that the market have fully recovered. Okay, there's still more the proper correction that needs to be shaken off with these weekends. Okay, and over leverage traders. Now, moving on next to the airdrops. So I think there are a lot of things they're going to share with you guys on what's really happening for the week. Yeah, a lot of segment as well. And first thing first, we can see this coming from Parcl. So Parcl is actually a real estate platform where you can able to speculate on the pricing of real estate markets. Okay, so if you think that the market is going up, then you can long on the property market. And if you think that the property market is going down, then you can short. Okay, so that's how Parcl rewards you for participating in the leverage trading or derivatives trading in their platform. On top of that, you can able to provide liquidity, which is to provide your USDC to stake under Parcl platform to qualify for the airdrop. So finally, congratulations for you guys who have gotten this airdrop. Okay, you've been staking since early this year. Okay, or some even from December. Right till now, we have gotten a handful of Parcl tokens. Okay, I think this is really, really good because this is a real world asset. So you can start to claim your Parcl tokens. Okay, they have already started trading. Okay, so yeah, right. If you have a Solana wallet, then you can start to claim. So this is the latest. Okay, and of course, I believe some of you have gotten a handful of this. Okay, all right. So there's Parcl. Then moving on next. All right, we can see this is coming on from Cosmos. So Cosmos airdrop. Okay, and then we have Omni. Okay, so for those of you who are eligible, especially those who are early in the game, and for those of you who are doing testnet, in the early stage of testnet, and then your community members and protocol partners, I think you should also qualify for Omni Foundation. Okay, so yeah, you can able to claim, all right, your tokens. Okay, and then this is their Twitter page. So they are focusing on the roll-ups, right? The blockchain built to unite all roll-ups secured by over 1B of stake ETH powered by Omni. Okay, so yeah, this is the one. Okay, you can able to claim or you can able to check eligibility. Okay, you put in your Ethereum or your Cosmos wallet for you to check. Okay, so yeah, this is the claim for Omni. Okay, so their mainnet is coming close, so do stand by. Okay, so this is all the roll up functions. Okay, roll up families. Okay, and then of course moving on next, we have Talis protocol. So Talis protocol has been a while since I've recommended for you guys to stake since end of last year, which is around December. Okay, to stake your injective tokens to Talis protocol, and finally you can able to claim. Okay, I think this has been long overdue, but finally they have already announced on the 16th of April that you can able to start claiming your Talis protocol tokens. So you can able to go to the website, okay, of Talis protocol dashboard. Okay, so later on I will put in the link, put the link in the chat box, in the description box for you guys to view it and to claim. Okay, so this has been long overdue, and then finally they have announced the Q1 airdrop. Okay, so yeah, so you can able to claim, and maybe you might want to redelegate your injective, okay, injective tokens to other validators. Okay, so yeah, these are things. Okay, okay, so this is the one. Then moving on next. Okay, so this one is coming in also from Cosmos. Okay, this one is Cook. Okay, so this one we can see here. In order for you to qualify this airdrop, all you need to do is to stake a minimum of 100 Osmo, 10 Atom, okay, or minimum of 1 raw. Okay, but it can be anyone, or you can, if you stake both, you are qualified for both as well. Okay, so this is the page to claim, but I believe this is already ended. It's already ended, not second. Okay, so you can able to claim. Okay, roughly about 2.5 minutes left to claim this airdrop. But you need to connect here your wallet, right? Okay, you need to connect your wallet, and then you need to click join. So that's the thing here. So snapshot is on 12th of April, which is last Friday. Last Friday, they give you about one week, right? 1 week to do it, okay, for Cook. Okay, so yeah, nonetheless, this is the one. Okay. Okay, so this is the Cook page as well. You can see here, right? Start cooking. So minting your tokens on Cosmos. Okay. So at the moment, we are still not clear what is this platform is really trying to do. Okay, but again, this is under the Cosmos site. So, and this is built under the osmosis zone as well. Okay, so I think maybe there's something is new. Okay, some excitement for those Cosmos takers. Okay, so for this Cook drop. Okay, so yeah, these are the things to take note. And then of course, moving on next, we have this airdrop. I think a lot of people has been expecting high expectation, especially for dimension stakers, right? If we were to stake dimension, and then there is a speculation or rumors that we will be receiving this airdrop called Avail. But unfortunately, things doesn't seem to go according to plan, and Avail have awarded this airdrop for those people who are participating in the EBM or Ethereum L2s. Okay, so this is the eligibility. all right, ranging from developers across to blockchain and also to roll-up users as well. So if you are in this category, right, I think majority of us are in this category called roll-up users. Okay, Arbitrum 1, OP, Optimism, Polygon, ZK, Starknet, okay, ZK Sync era. Okay, so I think this is the one that you qualify for this airdrop called Avail. Okay, so you can able to claim your airdrop here, claim.avail.org. Okay, you can go to this website, you can start to claim. Okay, so you have roughly about 2 weeks to claim this airdrop. Okay, so you need to have a Avail wallet as well. So what you can do, you can able to download this wallet, any of this wallet like Sub wallet, Talisman, Monta wallet, and you just need to import your recovery seed phrase. Okay, instead of creating a new wallet. So yeah, these are things that you can able to claim. Okay, so yeah, this is the Avail airdrop. And then moving on next, you can see also here. Okay, so next one. Okay, I think this will be the last one you can see here. I think this is the thing that you need to take note that the social farming, okay, I think has been overly farmed or overly abused. Okay, some people are actually spamming. So that's where you want to take note on the social farming like Parcl, Block. Okay, we have so many like Bubble, Beyond. So all these are free, okay, and it doesn't cost you any money. But the point here is that this is by Elon Musk mentioning that any accounts doing engagement farming will be suspended and traced to cost. So this could be a huge letdown for those people who are doing heavily on social farming, having a massive followers, okay, having a lot of massive traction on their Twitter page. So that's where you might want to be very, very careful and conservative on your social farming. So I think this could be an end game for those people who are actually doing social farming. So yeah, just need to be very, very careful because of this spamming, link spamming. Okay, so all of this, right, a lot of opportunities like social farming, okay, test nets, right, anything that is free, right, but it also comes with a cost and of course risk as well. All right, so I believe that's all I have for today. And once again, guys, thank you for your time, and I will update you guys on a new airdrop segment next week.